What is spirituality? If you know the answer to this question, then you are among the few people in the world who know the answer to this question. Spirituality is not about finding the inner peace, which everyone is looking for. It is also not about forcing demons and negative energy to go away from your surroundings. Spirituality holds a bigger goal in itself than everything else in this world. Spirituality is a way of connecting to the mighty one who created this universe 13 billion years ago. The force who chose our planet to be the only planet to host life on it. Spirituality is bigger than religious boundaries. It's bigger than social boundaries. In fact, it has no boundaries. Spirituality has no restrictions. You cannot become a bird who is aiming to fly beyond the horizon of this universe and still is under some restrictions. Spirituality is about becoming that bird who can roam freely between the worlds. A bird who can fly to the place where people go after death. A bird who knows where souls live before they are born in this world. A bird who can fly to a place where heaven lies. A bird who can go to the place where death lies. A bird who has no limits. A bird who knows everything that lies in this universe and what lies beyond this universe. Spirituality wants you to be that bird. Spirituality wants you to know everything. Spirituality wants you to have absolute knowledge of everything. When you have such a big picture in front of you and you have such a big goal, then all the restrictions because of religion, gender, society become meaningless because they are there to keep people in social limits. These restrictions are to stop chaos in society because of ignorance. But you are not ignorant. You are connected. Your body and soul is united. You know the reality of soul. When you have such knowledge, you do not need any restriction. Because knowledge you are seeking requires no restriction. Spirituality wants you to fly to far-off worlds and realms. Spirituality wants you to find the one who created this universe. Spirituality wants you to question. There is nothing, absolutely nothing taboo in the world of spirituality. You are bound from nothing. We will tell you everything you need to know about spirituality in upcoming videos. So keep connected.